Deeper Blue here at DEMA 2009 in Orlando, and we're here with Jack Snively from Aris. Hi, Jack.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. So, as you may know, there are a lot of hardcore freedivers on Deeper Blue, and they would love to hear from you about the new F10.
Fantastic. I've been on your website, and it's absolutely awesome, by the way. So,
Thanks.
Anyway, the new F10 is our new freediving watch from Aris, and it was designed by freedivers, specifically Martin Stepanek, who I think all of y'all know. But this is strictly a freediving watch. It does not do any scuba diving calculations or anything like that. It was strictly designed for the freediver in mind. And of course, having Martin on board, it does everything and anything any type of freediver would want. So I hope you'll check us out at divearis.com because we have all types of information on this watch as well as all the other Aris products.
Great. Thanks, Jack.
You bet.